Setting right terms for topic sentences with examples and my comments. The essay ideas stopped at the subjects of the topic sentences, and topic sentence objects are only common nouns that represents the examples. While topic sentences are the central level of an essay backbone between thesis statement and examples. And the topic sentences have to support both ways. Each inherit subject concepts from thesis statement, and each has only one object term for examples, unlike thesis statement. Here is the topic sentences formula that we've been talking about. It's just a review as a reminder. The nature of a topic sentence subjects are the same as thesis subject, just the narrower concepts as compared. The following are 10 examples to help you to get a better sense of how to write better topic sentences and avoid the poor ones. One, to be an effective CEO requires certain characteristics. A CEO is a high position with lots of responsibilities. Characteristics will include several attributes and qualities. Both are good terms for the statement. Fortune hunters encounter many difficulties when exploring a shipwreck. Hunter is no simple noun, specially modified by the word fortune, which creates lots of thinking. Difficulties is vague. Specify more clearly, like endure hardship or tests. Then you'll be more exciting and powerful. Hunting dogs make wonderful pets because they usually save human lives in the tasks. By adding one adjective, hunting, to the subject, it limits the topic for a deeper meaning. By adding a phrase in the tasks to save human lives, which deepens the object, serving the same function as when clause. Crime in poverty-stricken areas occurs as a result of a systemic discrimination. This is good, a concise statement with limited and sensitive nature for arguing, and a consistent logical result of an important social behavior makes it a very hard issue for attention. Teen pregnancy may be prevented by improved education. Again, it chooses a good topic idea in the right scope of content. Improved, deepened mere education with more to cover in depth. It would be better if adds as early as in high school. Cooking requires a number of different skills. It is a little weak and boring without specifying cooking what kind of food. Different skills will be too much to cover and too far to reach for next level to talk about as how many interesting ways of cooking and what kind of popular food it is about. There are many reasons why pollution in ABC town is the worst in the world. pollution is a good subject idea, while there are many reasons are okay for the examples. But to avoid vague and implied meaning like many reasons, better unfolds it and adds many environmental reasons. P.S. If it is for thesis statement, you might even have to specify further to be subtopics, adding causing short life, more medical expense, and fewer tourists to make a qualified thesis statement. It is important to be ready before buying a house. This is a statement, all right, but hardly a subject idea from thesis statement claim, as there's little information as a subject notion. What does it mean to be really ready? Actually, there are many factors involved in buying a house. Do not assume that most people know what you know. Isn't that the topic should foretell what it's going to talk about and to be supported? Having a first child is difficult because the significant adjustments in your life. Good subject topic for topic sentence and good object term for examples as adjustment in life. Or you can use a phrase or a clause to express more fully, particularly in the case of thesis statements object ideas. Remodeling a kitchen successfully requires research and a good eye. What's the standard for being successful? Rather says a pleasant or convenient kitchen. A good eye is also too general without referring to what's about, and it is not formal term or expressions for academic writing. Now do it yourself. Try to rewrite them according to our analysis. Now you have a better sense of writing interesting, effective,